We're Dave and Karen from Wax on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our two Can-Am motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. Hey Dave.
Hey Karen.
What are you doing?
I don't know yet.
What are we attempting to do?
Well, the one fix I had last time on this thing did not work.
Oh, the screws all popped out?
Yeah.
Again?
Well, they don't go into anything.
Yeah.
There's nothing for it to bolt to but this thin sheet metal.
Oh.
And that isn't going to do
And you
anything.
can't get back there to put, like,
Right.
bolts on the end. What do you call them?
Nuts
On the end of the bolts.
Nuts and bolts. So I have to take this cord reel out and I have to cut a hole in this wall.
Is that a hole that you'll be able to fix?
Yeah.
Put back up again?
Yeah, I'll put back up again. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this piece of aluminum and put it all behind all this and drill holes and then run bolts with nylon lock nuts in it.
That'll be on the inside.
That'll
So the
be all-
outside's got something to go through to the inside.
It got something to hold too.
Oh, for crying out loud.
Yeah.
That looks like a ton of work.
Yeah. Yeah, I didn't think it was going to be this bad, but now I got to get this door off of here, get this lip out of here to get this out.
Oh.
It won't fit through it.
What if, can you just take this
That's
off
all
of there?
riveted together and all that. I
is
don't
it?
want to get into that.
How many beers is this going to take?
Oh, this is going to be martini time. Here.
Whoa. So why do you, you got to take that whole lip off of there? What are you doing?
Yeah, I got to cut the silicone out so this panel will come
Oh, there's
off.
got to be another way.
There isn't. I got to get underneath this thing.
That probably needs new caulk anyways.
It did. See, now it's starting to move.
It'll give you more operating room.
Yep. Just try to do it without messing up the paint.
So why do you think it came apart to begin with?
It's just,
A design flaw?
yeah, the trailer twists on the end here.
Because I've heard other DRVers complain about the same thing.
Yep.
And I know we got the tote on the back, but the other people who complain do not.
Right.
And you've got it now where the tote could go either way, this way or that way. So that shouldn't be putting much stress on the frame.
Shouldn't. There we are. Access. Yeah, all those screws aren't going into anything.
What's that?
All those screws aren't going into anything.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice to have too, just in case we ever got to run some wiring.
Mm-hmm. Oh, you bent that?
Yeah.
Where'd you get that from?
Home Depot.
Yeah.
Piece of aluminum.
Uh-huh.
What is it? 1 inch by 1/8 by 36 inches. And I kind of formed it to.
That whole thing gonna fit in there?
No, I'll probably have to cut some off
Uh-huh.
to get it all up in here, right? Yeah, right to here. Doesn't go beyond there.
Will it get that screw?
No,
Yeah.
it only goes right to here. The opening, the
Bummer.
floor. So I can go from here down and around.
Uh-huh.
But that one I'll just have to run another screw up in there somehow. Nothing really back up in here to screw to.
Now, do you really need that piece of metal, or can't you just put a bolt and a nut through that right there?
This
Yeah.
this is only real thin sheet metal,
Yeah.
aluminum. It'll just tear right out. It'll make it probably worse than what it was. So what I'll do is we'll cut some of this off. We'll gauge it about there.
With finger.
There we go. El perfecto. Yes, ma'am. From here to here.
Gonna put some better caulk in it this time.
Yeah.
So you're just drilling a hole into the metal piece you're putting inside?
Yeah.
Aluminum?
That's my intention.
Have you hit your head yet?
Not yet, but I'm working on it.
Yeah, there's really nothing to hit your head on, is there?
Let's see how all this is gonna pan out. Got my little nut.
Oh, you're gonna drop that.
Oh, I got 100 of them.
Oh,
I
good.
planned on that.
Are you gonna take it off and then recaulk and stuff?
Yeah.
You're just testing it out for now?
Yeah. Before I go hog wild.
A lot of movement.
Yeah. I don't have it tight yet. I just want to try to get it to where it's somewhat where it was. Look at that, huh?
I ain't going nowhere.
I hope not. I'll do the whole thing like that. And I should lock it all up in there. We got the aluminum strip in and it's all bolted up in there nice and tight. Look at that.
Up and underneath as well, huh?
Yep.
Let's see if I can get that. Okay.
And it's coming up through that aluminum strip. Tying it all together. Put aluminum plate back here and here and then drill a couple holes in it. Put the plate I cut out back into it.
Oh, okay. And then now you gotta clean this all back up and caulk it and all that stuff.
All that good stuff, yeah.
So here's the end result, huh? So how do you
Yeah.
think it's gonna do?
I don't know. Got to do better than what it was.
So now we just gotta get, well, I'll tell you what, you don't have all that stuff caked up in there like you had before.
No.
So this just has to get painted.
Yeah, that and the screws.
Yeah, well, we've got some other stuff that's gonna have to get painted anyways.
Yeah, we'll have to get some touch-up paint.
I think you're gonna have a lot better chance of that staying.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then you recaulked everything.
Oh, yeah. And then that's all put back together. Cord reels back in.
Very good. So are your mouse traps.
Back there.
Yeah.
And then
Awesome.
that's put back in.
Anything else you gotta say?
That's about a 6-beer job.
Is it?
8. 6 now, 2 later.
Ah, okay. Boys and their toys. You gotta bring it all with you, 'cause you never know. There's Zippy doing double duty again. Some place for him to put his tools so he can work on the RV. Gotta love this car. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.